We are going to do not one, but 2 activities. Everyone go, 2 activities!
2 activities!
I know. Isn't this great? Now, the first activity. I am going to have you do this. Put your hands in front of you like this so you see your muscles. And everyone go like this. Say, Word Masters!
Word Masters!
Boys and girls, you are going to become word masters right now. And that means I am going to teach you some words. I know. I am going to teach you some words that adults use. Everyone go, ooh. Number 1, what's our word? Everyone say scuttle.
Scuttle!
All right, turn to your buddy and tell them what scuttled means. Ready? Go. Quick, short steps. Turn around. Oh my gosh, I said stop, turn around, and look at you. Show offs. I'm going to show like a person like this. And should I have them just standing there or show little short steps? Number 1, what's the word?
Scuttle!
What's it mean?
Steps!
Number 2, shriek. Say the word.
Shriek!
And then you're saying it like upper grade kids. Everyone say awkwardly.
Awkwardly!
That was our word master activity. Now the best activity is coming next. Ladies and gentlemen, over here, I'm going to draw something. And then I'm going to tell you to do this. Are you ready? Put your hands like this. Everyone go. From Hollywood.
From Hollywood!
It's movie script time.
It's movie time!
All right, I want everyone to put your hands like this and go. Every movie has a beginning, middle, ending. All right, so watch this. This is up here on our board, a movie script from Hollywood. And I have 3 boxes. This is for my beginning. This is for my This is for my Now, I'm going to show you what people do in Hollywood. The writers, when they write a movie, this is what they do. Are you ready?
Yes.
Everyone go to the beginning box. Say beginning.
Beginning.
First thing they do when they're writing a movie is they do this. They look at their wrist and they say, when is the movie happening?
When is the movie happening?
Okay. It's going to happen late at night. Please put a moon up in the air and everyone go like this. Say, late one night.
Late one night.
Now, everyone go like this. Say, where is the movie happening?
Where is the movie happening?
Watch this.
Haunted house. Awesome.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go. Late one night.
Late one night.
At a haunted house.
At a haunted house.
Okay, now, everyone go like this. Go, who's in our story?
Who's in our story?
Okay. Here's our little boy. Here. Here's our little girl. Now watch what happens. When they were walking up to the haunted house, were they walking like this, or did they scuttle up the stairs?
Scuttle.
Oh my goodness. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Go. Late one night. Go. Late one night down at a haunted house. A little boy and a little girl. Everyone go like this. Say action.
Action.
Say, what did they do?
What did they do?
They scuttled up the stairs. What did they do?
Scuttled up the stairs.
Now let's say the whole thing. Ready, set, go. Late one night down at a haunted house, a little boy and girl scuttled up the stairs and knocked on the door. See if you can say that to your buddy. Ready, go.
Late one night at a haunted house, a little boy and a little girl scuttled up.
Now, I want everyone to go like this. We have our beginning. Is that true?
Yes.
Put your hands in your beginning box. And now we're going to move over to the
Middle.
Now, when we move over, everyone's going to say it just like this. Do you see how you're looking up here? Put your middle box, put your hands in your beginning box. Now, everyone go like this. Say, what happened next?
What happened next?
After they knocked on the door.
After they knocked on the door.
Okay, now watch this. Something really scary. Hold on. Everyone, oh, look how nobody's saying anything. You're all just looking straight up here. And everyone go, suddenly.
Suddenly.
Okay, now watch. Suddenly, the little boy and girl shrieked. Oh my goodness, what does shriek mean? Yeah, oh, I love it. Suddenly, the little boy and girl shrieked, and then let me tell you why. Something ran across their feet. Turn to your buddy and tell them, what do you think ran across their feet? Go.
Okay,
eyes up here, turn around. Are you ready? Let's see what it was.
It's a bunny? Oh, it's a bunny.
It's a mouse. Don't be jealous of my artwork. Okay, are we ready, everyone? Go. Late one night, down at a haunted house, a little boy and girl scuttled up the stairs and knocked on the door. Ready? Suddenly, go. Suddenly, they shrieked when they felt a mouse run across their feet. Now let's move to the end. Everyone go, what happened next?
What happened next?
After the mouse ran across their feet.
After the mouse ran across their feet.
Okay. Would you go down the stairs slowly or quickly?
Quickly.
Okay, so let's start with that. Everyone say quickly.
Quickly. Awkward. Awkwardly. Awkwardly.
Quickly, they ran down the stairs.
Awkwardly.
Quickly, but awkwardly. They ran down the stairs and never came back. Moon's up. You want to do it together? Go.
Late one night at a haunted house, a little girl and a little boy
Scuttled up the stairs and
knocked on the door.
suddenly, ready, go. They shrieked when they felt a mouse run up across their feet. Ready? Everyone say quickly but awkwardly. Ready? Go. Quickly but awkwardly, they ran down the stairs and never came back. All right, stand. I'm going to show you how they do this in Hollywood. Put your hands on your side because you're now movie actors. Are we ready, movie actors? Put your hands up like this. And everyone go like this. Say lights.
Lights.
Camera.
Camera.
Action.
Action. Late one night and a haunted house. A little girl and a little boy scuttled up the stairs and knocked on the door. Suddenly, they shrieked
When they felt a mouse run across their feet. Ready, go. Quickly but awkwardly, they ran down the stairs and never